Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video, I'm going to walk you through how you can link your PAN card with Aadhaar card using income tax portal. Before I proceed further, if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please go subscribe right now. And if you take anything out of this, you do it at your own risk. Haha. Okay guys, so guys, in front of you, I have opened this login page of income tax portal. Here you can log in like using your PAN card, Aadhaar number, and any other user ID you have created. I do using my PAN card. Okay. So when you put your ID information here, you get this continue button enabled. Once you click that, you reach this screen where you have to confirm the secure access message and put your password. Then this continue button get enabled too. This video is made using the screenshots because like some confidential information in the process. So now here, once you log in and you go to dashboard, you have this link Aadhaar to PAN option, which there's a link I have encircled. You click on it, you reach here. It's going to be 3 step: enter details, verification, and status. And here it's going to be your PAN card number, and here you have to enter Aadhaar number. Once you do that, once you enter Aadhaar number, next is going to be validate. It will go to step 2 where it's going to be verified using code and other things. And once it is done, third will be the status where you can see it's done. So that is how it works, guys. So thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.